Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to Freditor. Freditor enables high fidelity transferable NeRF editing by frequency decomposition. NeRF stands for neural radiance fields and it is a technique for representing complex 3D scenes using neural networks. It models both geometry and appearance as a continuous function of 3D coordinates, enabling high fidelity rendering with novel views. NeRF has been used for applications like synthesizing photorealistic images and reconstructing scenes from those images. So, recent NeRF editing pipelines lift 2D stylization results to 3D scenes while suffering from blurry results and fail to capture detailed structures caused by the inconsistency between 2D editings. If you look at the paper of this project, it is quite interesting, and they also have released this video which I'm going to play, and you can watch it while it plays out. Now, one critical insight is that low frequency components of images are more multi-view consistent after editing compared with their high frequency parts. The appearance style is mainly exhibit or presented in a low frequency component, but the problem is that the content details specially reside in high frequency parts. This motivates the researchers to perform editing on low frequency components, which result in high fidelity edited scenes. Now, another cool thing is that the manipulation and enhancement of three-dimensional environments through 3D scenes editing is a fundamental task in the field of computer vision, with numerous practical applications in areas such as augmented reality, autonomous driving, and virtual simulation. Since reconstructing a 3D scene is a laborious and time consuming, such as recovering a scene of different seasons. This research studies the problem of high fidelity and transferable photorealistic editing of 3D scenes with text instructions. Now, moreover, with the emergence of the neural radiance field or NeRF, as I have explained earlier, the photorealistic reconstruction of 3D scenes from 2D images has been significantly simplified. So they have employed NeRF as their 3D modeling in this work. Given a NeRF representing an underlying 3D scene, their objective is to edit the scene according to text instruction such that the edited NeRF can render images with instructed style that differ from the captured images. This language-based interface enables easy editing of 3D content. There are a lot of examples which are scattered throughout their project page, and I will drop the link in video's description. Now, if you look at this methodology which they have used here, it's a complete end-to-end pipeline. This pipeline comprises two primary branches: the high frequency branch, reconstructed from multi-view images, which ensures view consistent scenes details, and the low frequency branch, responsible for filtering low frequency components from the full scene feature fields, performing style transfer and decoding the original and edited low frequency images. Finally, the high frequency details are reintegrated into the edited low frequency image, resulting in a high fidelity edited zone. There are a lot of other good examples which are scattered throughout this paper. For example, if you look here on the left, there is original scene, and then we have instruct nerf to nerf, and then in this one, Freditor, it has really thrown it out of the park. So if you look at here, original scene is this, and then when we say make it autumn, then it is trying to scatter some of the autumn colors here. How good is that? Similarly, in this one, if you look at this facial expression one, original scene is this, we are saying turn his hair into red, and then original scene is this, and turn his clothes into brown. And then similarly, a lot of image translations are being happening. Also, they enable intensity control of edited nerf during network interface, and you can see that as the intensity is increasing, so is the image, and the quality is being maintained. How good is that? And then, as I said, there are a lot of examples which are present in this project page. Now, Before I let you go, one more good thing about is project is that they are facilitating high fidelity and transferable nerve stylization by decomposing the appearance in frequency domain. And one critical insight is that the appearance style manifests itself predominantly in the lower frequency components, and the content details reside especially in the high frequency parts, including both the geometry details and the texture details. On the other hand, the low frequency component of images, which predominantly define the appearance style, exhibit enhanced multi-view consistency after editing compared to their high frequency counterparts. And this motivates them to do style editing on low frequency components and transfer the high frequency information back to the edited scene, which yields a high resolution edited scene. So this pipeline additionally makes it easier for a style network to transfer across different scenes and styles, since the low frequency component contain fewer scene dependent details to preserve. How cool is that? But a heads up too that in some cases, the mixing of high frequency components may provide conflicts with the target style where the details are undesirable in some regions. Also, in editing these scenarios, an intelligent alpha blending is needed to bring about a harmonious fusion between the high frequency details and the edited low component, which is a true direction. So all in all, just to recap, this research is really amazing, and it has been done by Alibaba Group, Fudan University, and also University of Texas at Austin. One thing which is missing still is the code. Hopefully, it will be released soon. Can't wait for it to try out, because this you know problem of high fidelity and transferable nerf editing is really huge, and if this Freditor can solve it, it's a really big thing. Because the low frequency components of images, which predominantly define the appearance style, they exhibit enhanced multi-view consistency after editing compared to their high frequency counterpart. So as long as this low frequency editing in feature space enables stable intensity control and novel scene transfer, I think this project is really going to be one of the best one in the coming days. So I will keep an eye out, and as the code is released, I might do another video with the local installation and setup if it would be possible, and I will share the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you are the creator of this project, thank you again. This is amazing. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you are already subscribed, then please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.